Hey, if you wonder if you can use Touchpad with your Realme 10, yes, you can do this, but first you'll have to connect the OTG connection. So you have to open the settings, then click on the search pool and type OTG, and now click right here and enable the OTG connection. Now I'm going to show you actually how it looks on my controller, because on the PS controller you can actually find the touch panel. So if you have the cable with the USB-C end, you can connect it straight into the USB-C port. But in my case, I have to bring this USB-C to USB-A adapter, connect it like this, and right now I have to plug it into the port. And now let's see if it actually works. As you can see right now, the touchpad is working. In the PlayStation, it actually works like the mouse. So you can use it and you can navigate into the settings. And you can also use the keyboard. But if you want to draw something, for sure you can do this. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.